Big up yourself and subscribe to this channel. Watch, like, and share the videos. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified. Browning, taxi. Cabby, drop me off down at the health center. You sure a taxi you want, daddy? Why make you ask me that? When me fit take go down there? Me think it's an ambulance you need, after you take so long to reach the taxi. If you leave your girl careless, you are go see who are go need ambulance. The arthritis a bother me. That's why me move so slow. You can't manage my girl, man. If you just look pan her alone, you will collapse. And then them have to call ambulance for you. A lie, you are tell. Anyway, daddy, come in at the taxi. And take your time, cause me have all day. Seriously though, daddy, at your age, you shouldn't be walking upon the road by yourself. Me have an uncle way younger than you, and we have to put him in our old age home, cause him can't manage by himself. But my young girlfriend no have no complaints, so no tell me no foolishness about old age home. Next patient. Mr. Connoly, I see you're here for your annual checkup. Yes, Doc. I may have some other concerns. What are your concerns, Mr. Connoly? How do you determine, is it, Doc, whether or not an older person should be put in an old age home? Well, we have a little experiment that we usually do. What is that, Doc? We fill up a bathtub, then we offer the person a teaspoon, a teacup, and a bucket to empty the bathtub. Oh, me understand that. A normal person with them faculties intact would use the bucket because it's bigger than the spoon and the teacup. No, sir. A normal person would pull the plug. Do you want me to arrange a bed near the window in the old age home for you?